ewo Montreal yeti subway Woka German komoch dem e when you fire kon hu say we great man we bema na nyate wo say na me manyine sene no nanso no wo kan sema e kire say wono so wo ye pani e ne e fire etie nya to free Montreal e ne ba Toronto ha na ba no di kan ba Toronto jami
adantina mu ba Toronto
the time ba Toronto say Montreal no mo ka French ya so French no ho de mai Nana Bano so oko secondary school Opokua. Aye. And I mean to be secondary school or a fiscal, if you just secondary commercial. And now the Sako Tribo could be also Kakra. Eti Hono, now some Nana Bano, Yabaya Mia for because one only papa free. Kumau's one at Tribo could be our friend said Tiki. Eti Naja say, Yana for Tibeta Hano, one what a band be a friend says Soon Powers. No band. What a banya say DJ sounds or a boy, yes, was I MC.
Walkroom ha,
I will Toronto ha. And I must remember tape by a year 1989, 1991 going. Yana Bano produce a lot of DJs. DJ BT say Abele, DJ BT say maybe the DJ phone to DJ be now the cameraman so your friend Nana Ebre you will video oh kuma na Ebre come on video no we will be free your friend will be Bob Santo free one na Ebre ni nipa no video e wo ya woni Soon Powers and I mention me ban on your friend Kohinko ya me ne Dollar Man
the Dollar Man
out
of video no
yes Dollar Man the video then you $3 man so video I mean the Sandy and then or say who will be after the cash and a DJ Fred the tape band your friends Kohinko sounds me na me charm it ye chire mu se na na ba no so no we a very influential person to ba say me ni me no ye be good friends na kasa na nya mo so tepo kopokuwa no so opokuwa ni fiscal for bobo sata no obo number 9
why
na ba no
obo number 9 wo opokuwa oh
soccer team ya kwasi apia say wo coach blaster ni na ba no ya kwasi apia no they were good friends opokuwa na ba no minni fie ne mo fie na onye madamfo a ni di komo tesie ni abehia Toronto ha go be yemi intimate friend.
And so, now, what do you want people like me from Toronto to know about Nabando that you think we don't know?
A special human being.
Why?
Na ni bufu kura no a o mani pa hu se ni bufu and what twine ententem emeska bafie
like
say you kromai minimo bia na yire tihwe fom yire tihwe no ye kosira ni pakro ni pakro nka ska obenya na kakra bi na ba no ka se da bi this is slip and fall so asem kwa na meteda eti yemra office e kire no nipa na gisika e fata wo chese nyu obia na timi gwene sa ye woni ba do mo hwe ase kro mo sore ko e kire na ba no wo ye lawyer ni a uko kum nipa dia wonti me entwitwa nyi wo de mum se bia ka na otim ene nya ankwahia ana se unam na atehwe ye dia obagiska e fata no dia ma anytime hu se wotimi gwene e kwa akiri asinipa because yaya ba yo go kwa ka akotuma adekia na akwa adwuma nkeska mo asiba.
And so what do you think we should learn from him, and do you ever think we can ever replace Nabando in Toronto?
Well, at this point of time I would love to speak English.
Sure.
It has been said everybody is replaceable, but sometimes you can choose a wrong candidate. To replace Nabando, we need to come together and think like him, behave like him, because Nana will always love anybody he meets. And Nana likes anybody, doesn't matter where you come from. And Nana was able to speak, as far as I'm concerned, about maybe 4 or 5 languages. Then I speak Twi, then I speak English, then I speak Ga, then I speak German, then I speak Aigbe.
Yes.
So it's always easier for Nana to connect and communicate with the people. He was a great man, and may his soul rest in perfect peace.
Thank you. Because my first experience with Nana was when I first met him and I told him I'm Ga, and he goes, Chienu, Toyote. Wow. I never ever thought a chief could be telling me that. On the final note, what do you want our next generation to know about him, and do you think we will ever get another Nana Bando in the Ghanaian community? That's the final note.
Well, to get exactly like Nana Bando is only one person who can replace him, and his son Jesse.
Why?
Jesse has impressed me a lot. Jesse is a little bit taller than his father. Jesse doesn't speak much like his father, but when Jesse talks, people listen. And Jesse has the same charisma like his father. And I think Jesse can do exactly like his father. As it been said, like father, like son. But Jesse is a little bit better, if not the best.
I don't even know what to say anymore. And I want to say thank you, sir. You've been inspirational. And I will come back to you when I need some more information. Thank you.